What up, Playboy? It's your boy Big Block, homie. The East Side Shipping Ride. Represent Block Entertainment. Bad boy South, Playboy. Yeah. Hey, yo, Puff, we gonna pull up like this up here, man. We gonna go it down, man. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, yo, HP. I'm gonna pull the shell out the backyard, man. I'm gonna pull the shell out the backyard, Playboy. Got chop. Hey, yo, Piff, get that jet.
It's time to take that 420 break. Yeah.
You know, by the money I'm supposed to 2-3 of these every day.
But believe that or believe that not on 103.9 OC 104.
That is correct. It is my favorite time of the day. Of course, love taking a 420 break, and this is how it works. I'll read off a statement for you. It's real easy to win. All you got to do is just let me know if you believe that or believe that not. If you're in Delaware, hit me up at 853-0144. Maryland or Virginia, it's 872-1039. And today, I'm going to help you spring into shape. That's right, hooking you up with that Subway gift card. If you get it right today, Subway, home of the $5 footlong. Subway, eat fresh. Then, when you win that, you're going to be qualified for a year membership to Flex World Fitness, your local state-of-the-art gym on Route 113 in Georgetown. Of course, we are getting you ready, getting you fit for the summer of '09. All you got to do, just let me know if you believe that or believe that not. According to a recent study,